Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can clear all the cache on your PC, Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any other computer. Make it work more efficiently and much faster than before. So make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. First thing you need to do is press the Windows key and arrow key together, and it's gonna bring up this window like this, and you wanna type prefetch here, and then you can click OK. Continue, and you're gonna see all these junk files that you don't need, so select everything and then delete. It's okay to skip the files that are not deleted. Skip. There you go, and you can close the window. Next step, Windows key and arrow key again, and this time you need to type temp and OK. Continue, and you're gonna see more files, more junk files, so select everything. Ctrl A, and then you can delete. Skip the files that are not deleted and then continue. Next step, Windows key and arrow key again together, and another run window. This time we're gonna type %temp %, and click OK, and you're gonna see more junk files. These files making your PC run slower and slower, so you need to delete. Ctrl A, select everything, and you can delete. Skip the files that are not deleted. It's okay. These are currently being used, so it's okay to skip. After that, you can close the window, and again Windows key and arrow key together, and this time we're gonna type clean MGR and click OK. And here we're gonna see this system cleanup window like this, and here we still need to select all the files, so check all the boxes like this, double check to see that you selected everything, and you can click OK. Delete files. All the files being deleted, and you're ready to go. That's how you clean up your PC. So thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.